The Doer 2.0 is designed specifically for family-friendly fun. Take little Timmy here for an example. Now, this was him before the factory. Just look at him. Sad, pathetic, just hates life, doesn't know what to do with himself. Now, watch this. You ready?
Oh, wow. Thank you.
See the difference? It's just that easy. The new Doer 2.0 can be utilized in all sorts of fun and different ways. Just watch as little Timmy here has the time of his life playing baseball with his new friends.
Oh my God, is that Babe Ruth?
No, over here. Come get your upgrades. No. Come get your upgrades. Hey! Don't make me repeat myself, okay? When I say keep the camera on me, I mean keep the camera on me, okay? All right. You're doing a great job. Come get your upgrade today.